Hi there. Today we're going to talk about a fishing tournament that happens every year here in San Juan del Sur in the month of May. On May 8th, 9th, and 10th, the fifth International Game Fish Tournament took place over the port area right in front of 20's Bar in San Juan del Sur Bay, and it brought a completely different energy into town. The tournament is considered Nicaragua's largest offshore fishing tournament, and this was the fifth international edition. The event actually ran over 3 days, starting on May 8th. The first day was boat inspections, registration, and just a welcoming event, mandatory captain's meeting. Then it was followed by 2 days of fishing. The competitors must follow the official rules from International Game Fish Association, which is the global standard for sports fishing tournaments. The billfish and roosterfish divisions were strictly catch and release, with anglers required to provide proof of release, video proof of release of their catches. The tournament places a strong emphasis on conservation of fish stocks in the Pacific. San Juan del Sur is a world-class fishing destination because of the topography of the ocean floor here. The deep Pacific canyons drop to more than 1,000 meters, only 12 nautical miles off the coast of San Juan del Sur. And this is perfect conditions for marlin, sailfish, roosterfish, dorado, tuna, and wahoo. Previous editions of this tournament have attracted anglers from at least 6 countries and from all across Central America. Over the past 5 years, over 100 competing boats have participated with more than 480 billfish releases. This year's tournament had 39 boats competing. If you had happened to be in town over that weekend, you probably noticed some absolutely stunning boats in the harbor. These are some boats that we don't normally see here. They're massive, they're sleek, and they're honestly pretty spectacular to watch coming in and going out of the harbor. Usually in May, there is no wind, but during this weekend, it was very windy, very odd, but very windy. So the people participating in this tournament, both fishermen and fisherwomen, they certainly gained my respect because they went out there in those choppy waters to participate in this tournament. Everything wrapped up on Sunday night, and there was such a festive atmosphere. At about 6 o'clock, there was a live band playing. Everybody was standing around, visiting, and waiting for the weigh-ins. The whole area had such a fun, festive atmosphere. There were brand names displaying their wares such as Florida Caña and Yamaha, and it really felt like the entire town came alive for this event. So May is considered one of our quietest months of the year, but this really brought a spectacular vibrance to downtown San Juan del Sur in this downtime. And it's such a great reminder that even in our slow months of the year, there is always something to do here in San Juan del Sur. So if fishing is your thing and you plan to be here in May of 2027, perhaps you would like to sign up for next year's fishing tournament. See you on the next one.